Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and higher highs and higher lows, so updates certainly need to be made here. First I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Go ahead and delete that line out. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from the presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that is now definitely the case moving forward right there at $60. That being the new ideal level of support. What do I mean by ideal? Well, if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, yeah, ideally speaking, if the price could stay up above 60, that would be a great sign of power. But with that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would be a great sign of strength. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 60 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance, got to squeeze down the charter once again as this thing continues to creep higher, but next key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up there at $65.50. So $65.50, next key battleground to watch moving forward. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, that is by far what matters most. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.